Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we'll talk about the mapped fields and the Get integration with Salesforce. Let's go to Salesforce integration and Get from Salesforce, set Get, and let's take a look at the mapped fields. Click the set mapping and let's see the options here. So first thing, we have a filter where we can filter our fields by. So once we type something in, Form Titan will filter your form fields according to that. You can select in the show. You can show all, you can show mapped. So now it's not showing me anything because nothing is mapped. And you can select unmapped, where it will show you all the unmapped field. Another thing you can do is use the arrows to sort the results. So you can do up and down, and we'll sort it by the field, the element name. So let's see how we can map our fields. So let's say we want to map our table type into the type. So on the right side, we're just going to select from the Salesforce field. Form Titan will dynamically bring in whatever fields you have on the object. So we're going to map that to the type, and we have a select, and we're going to map the account name as well. And hit apply. Let's just make sure our condition is get rid of this. We're just going to bring in first 100 accounts. We're bringing in everything, and we're going to execute it on the form load. Let's apply, publish our form. And there we have it.